Hey everyone! Welcome back to the worldwide story, the world of curious minds and amazing facts. Today, we are diving into 20 interesting facts about the world that will blow your mind, make you smile, and maybe even make you question everything you thought you knew. So grab a snack, hit that like button, and let's explore some seriously cool stuff about our planet and beyond. Fact 1. Did you know there's a place on Earth where gravity barely works? In Hudson Bay, Canada, the ground actually has less gravity than the rest of the planet because of ancient glaciers that reshaped the land. Yup, you technically weigh a tiny bit less there. Time for a gravity vacation, anyone? Fact 2. The world's largest living organism isn't a whale or a redwood tree, it's a fungus. Meet the Armillaria fungus in Oregon, USA. It's over 2,400 years old and spans nearly 4 square miles underground. Basically, it's the planet's biggest hidden monster. Fact 3. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. That's right, by botanical definition, bananas qualify as berries, while strawberries do not. Nature clearly has its own sense of humor. Fact 4. In Finland, there's a wife-carrying world championship. Men race through obstacle courses carrying their wives, and the prize? The wife's weight in beer. Cheers to that. Fact 5. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. 2 hearts pump blood to their gills, and 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. And when they get stressed, they can literally change color. Talk about mood rings on another level. Fact 6. There's a lake in Australia that's bubblegum pink. Lake Hillier's bright pink color isn't edited, it's real, caused by a special kind of algae and bacteria that thrive in its salty waters. Totally Instagram-worthy, right? Fact 7. Sharks existed before trees did. Sharks have been around for about 400 million years, while trees appeared only 350 million years ago. So next time you see a shark documentary, just remember they're the true ancient ones. Fact 8. Russia has a larger surface area than Pluto. Pluto is about 16.7 million square kilometers, while Russia covers 17 million. So technically, Russia greater than Pluto. Geography just got cosmic. Fact 9. There's a species of jellyfish that can live forever. Known as Turritopsis dohrnii, or the immortal jellyfish, it can revert back to its juvenile state and start life all over again. Basically, it's the Benjamin Button of the sea. Fact 10. Cleopatra lived closer in time to the moon landing than to the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza. The pyramids were built around 2560 BCE, Cleopatra ruled around 30 BCE, while the moon landing was in 1969 CE. History is wild like that. Fact 11. There's a village in Norway where the sun doesn't rise for 2 months. It's called Rajukan, and during winter, the mountains block sunlight completely. So they built giant mirrors to reflect sunlight into the town square. Fact 12. Hot water freezes faster than cold water, it's called the MPMBA effect. Scientists are still debating why it happens, but yes, sometimes being hot-headed pays off. Fact 13. A single bolt of lightning contains enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread. Imagine the ultimate cosmic toaster, breakfast served, electrified style. Fact 14. There's a country with no mosquitoes at all, Iceland. Cold temperatures and lack of standing water make it a mosquito-free paradise. So yes, you can finally go camping in peace. Fact 15. In Japan, there are more pets than children. As birth rates decline, pet ownership has soared, cats and dogs officially rule the house. Honestly, who can blame them? Fact 16. The Eiffel Tower can grow taller in summer. When the metal heats up, it expands, adding up to 6 inches in height. So technically, Taurus has seasonal architecture. Fact 17. Antarctica is the world's largest desert. Even though it's covered in ice, it gets less rainfall than the Sahara. So yes, it's a desert, just a freezing one. Fact 18. The shortest war in history lasted just 38 minutes. It was between Britain and Zanzibar in 1896, and spoiler, Zanzibar surrendered before anyone could finish lunch. Fact 19. The Great Wall of China isn't a single wall, it's a collection of many walls built over centuries. If you combined all sections, it would stretch for over 21,000 kilometers. That's half the Earth's circumference. Fact 20. And finally, there's a place on Earth where two deserts meet, the Namib and the Kalahari in Africa. From red dunes to golden sands, it's one of the most surreal landscapes ever seen, pure nature's artwork. And there you have it, 20 fascinating facts that prove our world is far stranger and more wonderful than we imagine. Which fact surprised you the most? Drop your favorite one in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss more amazing stories like this. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.